Hey everyone, welcome back to Hack Your Day. I'm thrilled to be here with you for our 9th video. You've been the spark behind this channel, and your support keeps us blazing. We've tackled daily shortcuts, money tips, health, tech, organization, productivity, habits, relationships, and now we're igniting something exciting, creativity. Today, I've got 5 creativity hacks to unleash your genius in 2025. Simple tricks to get those ideas flowing and make your mark, no matter who you are. Why creativity? Because it's your superpower. Studies say creative thinking boosts problem solving by 40%, and 70% of Americans want to be more inventive, but feel stuck. I've hit that wall too. Blank pages, zero ideas, and these hacks pulled me out. They're not for artists only, they're for students, 9-to-5ers, parents, anyone craving a breakthrough. I've tested them, talked to friends, and dug into the science to bring you the good stuff. New to Hack Your Day? Hit subscribe and tap the bell. We're dropping hacks every week to supercharge your life, and I don't want you to miss a beat. Loved our relationship hacks last time? Drop your favorite in the comments. I'm always checking them out. Whether you're chasing a big idea, spicing up a hobby, or just want to think outside the box, these hacks will light you up. Let's ditch the blank slate and unleash your genius. Here's hack number 1. Hack number 1. The 5-minute brainstorm blast. Ever stare at a problem with no ideas? Feeling totally blocked? Over 60% of Americans say they hit creative ruts monthly. It's like your brain just clocks out. This hack's a quick, daily jolt to get your mind spitting out ideas like a fireworks show. No pressure needed. Here's how. Grab a pen, set a 5-minute timer. I use my phone, and write down every idea you can. No filtering. Good. Bah. Wild. Flying cars. Talking dog. Just go. I do this before work. Went from 0 to 15 ideas for a project in a week. Science says speedwriting boosts creativity by 30%. It's like unclogging your brain. My friend Alex tried it. He's a coder, always stuck, and he cracked a bug in 2 days after brainstorming dumb fixes. I've used it for video ideas too. Half my scripts start as nonsense that turns gold. It's not about perfection, it's about momentum, and 5 minutes is all it takes to kickstart your genius. You can do it anywhere. Coffee break, before bed, and trash the list after if you want. No rules. Pro tip. Start with a silly question. What if cats ruled? It loosens you up. Try it today. 5 minutes. Pen down everything, and watch the ideas explode. Tell me your wildest one in the comments. Hack number 2. Change your scene. Ever feel like your brain's on repeat? Stuck in the same old rut? Studies say 50% of us get our best ideas outside our usual spots. Same desk, same room kills the spark. This hack's about shaking up your space to wake up your creative side. And it's easier than you think. Here's the move. Once a day, switch your spot. Work at a cafe. Sit outside. Even move to the couch. I started this a month ago. Wrote this script in a park instead of my room. And ideas flowed twice as fast. Research says, new environments boost inspiration by 25%. It's like a reset button for your mind. My sister tried it. She's a teacher, always prepping at home, and planned a killer lesson on her porch. She said, the breeze just clicked something. I hadn't thought that way indoors. I've done it at a library too. Quiet, fresh, total game changer. It's about breaking the monotony to let your brain breathe. No big trip needed. A different chair or a window view works too. Pro tip. Bring a notebook. New sites spark random thoughts worth keeping. Step out tomorrow, pick a new spot, soak it in, and let your genius run wild. Tell me your favorite change-up spot in the comments. Hack number 3. The doodle break. Ever feel mentally fried, like your ideas just won't budge? Over 40% of us think we're not creative types. Total myth, and this hack proves it. It's a fun, no-skill way to loosen up your brain and spark something brilliant in minutes. Here's how. Take 5 to 10 minutes, grab a pen, and doodle, scribbles, shapes, stick figures, anything. No goal, just mess around. I do this when I'm stuck. Drew a wonky cat once, and it led to a video idea. Studies say doodling boosts creative flow by 20%. It's like a playground for your mind. My cousin Jake tried it. He's a gamer, zero art skills, and sketched a spaceship that inspired a mod he built. I've done it during meetings too. Boss thought I was slacking, but I solved a problem mid-doodle. It's not about drawing well, it's about letting your brain wander free. You can doodle anywhere, napkin, phone app, and toss it after. No stress. Pro tip. Start with circles. They turn into anything. Keeps it loose. Grab a pen today. Doodle for 5 minutes, and see what pops up. Share your weirdest sketch in the comments. I want to see. Hack number 4. The idea mashup. Ever run dry on fresh thoughts? Like you've hit a creative dead end? Over 50% of us recycle the same old ideas. Safe but boring. This hack's a wild way to smash things together and cook up something totally new. No genius required. Here's the trick. Pick 2 random things. Say, pizza and energy, and mash them up. Solar-powered pizza oven. Takes 5 minutes. Just brainstorm combos. I did this. Mix coffee and games. Got a caffeine-fueled board game night? Studies say, cross-pollination sparks innovation by 35%. It's like a creativity remix. My coworker Jen tried it. She's a marketer, always pitching mashed shoes and music. Pitched a sneaker that plays beats, and her boss flipped. I've used it for fun too. Cats and tech became a robot kitty toy idea. It's silly at first, but that's where the gold hides. Grab anything, words from a book, stuff around you, and mix it up daily. Pro tip. Go absurd. Weirda. The better. It stretches your brain. Try it now. Pick 2 things, mash them, and see what you get. Drop your craziest combo in the comments. I'm stealing the best ones. Hack number 5. Nighttime wonder. Ever feel like your best ideas hit when you're half asleep? Then vanish? Over 80% of us get random genius at night. Your brain's looser then. This hack's a chill habit to capture that magic and turn it into something real by morning. Here's how. Before bed, keep a notepad by your pillow. When you're drifting off, jot down whatever pops up. No editing. I do this. Scribbled floating desk one night. Woke up with a workspace idea. Science says sleep boosts creativity by 40%. It's like your brain's secret workshop. My brother tried it. He's a mechanic. No creative bone. Woke up with a tool organizer idea after scribbling half awake. I've caught script twists this way too. Sleepy thoughts are pure gold. It's not about staying up. It's about grabbing what your brain's cooking overnight. Phone notes work. Just keep it handy and dark mode it. Pro tip. Ask yourself a question before sleep. What's my next big thing? Primes the pump. Try it tonight. Leave a pen out. Catch the wonder. And wake up inspired? Tell me your sleepy idea in the comments. And there you go. 5 creativity hacks to unleash your genius in 2025. Let's recap. Blast your brain for 5 minutes. Switch your scene. Doodle your way out. Mash up ideas. And catch nighttime wonders. These aren't just hacks. They're your keys to break ruts, spark brilliance, and make 2025 your most creative year yet. All with zero fuss. Which hack are you firing up first? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear your genius at work. If this lit a spark, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell. We've got more hacks coming to fuel your 2025. Thanks for watching Hack Your Day. You're incredible, and I'll see you in the next one.